think he wants me to go away. Hello everybody! Welcome back to our channel. Today it's my time to vlog because I'm gonna go on a hike in the Noord-Holland Duinreservaat. I'm like I said, I'm gonna hike, take a little walk in the forest, and I will show you around a little bit. Maybe we see some beautiful things, like some beautiful animals. They have beautiful cows and horses down here. So let's have a look and keep on watching. So, go for a little hike. I'm gonna walk the orange route. So I have to follow the orange marks, and it will totally it will be 13.2 kilometers. So you can join me. Okay, there we go. So there's another mark, so also an orange and a blue one, and we're gonna follow that. As you can see, a lot of trees, but at the moment it's winter, so the leaves have fallen down. They're all on the ground. You see all the leaves on the ground, they're rotting away at the moment. But as you can imagine, hopefully in the spring and in the summer it's totally green around here. Straight ahead you see a fence. I'll show you. There's a fence to keep all some wild animals inside, because they have cows and horses around here, and some sheep as well. And we want to keep them inside of the perimeter. We don't want to walk them around on the roads where all the cars are driving. So that's why they have these wildroosters. So, for example, the cows and the horses can't pass this one, because otherwise the foot will be stuck inside between the metal. So that's why they have it. Okay, but we can cross it. So we're in the forest now, and like I told you, today I'm gonna walk the orange route, so I have to follow the orange marks. This orange mark is pointing like straight ahead, so that's what we're gonna do. We're going straight ahead. Come on. So I've been walking around for like a little bit longer than half an hour yet, but as you can see, you are able to take a rest. There are little seats where you can take a rest, but not for me. I just keep on walking for now. I will take a rest later on. Okay, so we're going a little bit further. Like I said, I have been walking around for over half an hour now, so I've been walking around, let's say, 3 kilometers, 3.5, something like that, because I have a pretty good pace at the moment. So unfortunately, I haven't seen any animals like big cows or horses yet. Okay, you can see some little birds flying around, but it's really difficult to get that on camera. So, but you know, it's just a nice walk in the nature. Just free your mind a little bit, enjoy the fresh air. So, okay, we're going a little bit further. Just take a look at all the structures of the trees. I find it pretty special. I don't know why, but As you can see, there are a lot of different colors. That also means there are a lot of different routes. So you gotta make sure you follow the right color, the right mark. Otherwise, you get lost. It's a pretty big area, so you gotta be careful though not to get lost. And there we have them, the first animals we have spotted today. That are the Scottish Highlanders. They are used as natural lawn mowers around here to eat some vegetation, the grass, little trees. Otherwise everything will be overrun. So we've got to keep a little bit of distance. It's recommended. You know, they're not really dangerous, but you never know what they're all wild animals. You never know what they're gonna do if they feel threatened or something, you know. And they got big horns, so every year there are little casualties with runners or bikers that got attacked by them. But most of the time that's because they have youngsters with them. But at the moment these are already grown up, so it's not really dangerous at the moment. Oh yay, here he comes. Oh yay, oh yay. Think he wants me to go away. So I will not run, but I felt a little bit threatened, so I will keep on walking. I don't want to be attacked by him, so he is just saying fun, okay, get lost, leave us alone. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do now. So okay guys, I'm like halfway. I arrived at the parking area. In front of us you see the hoop. That's a visitor center, a museum. This whole area belongs to the water company. So and over there there's like I said, there's a visitor center and a museum, and they give explanations how they filter the water around here, and also a little bit of they give an explanation about nature, about the plants and the animals that live here. So at the moment it's closed, of course, but you know why. And over there you see a restaurant. It's called Johanneshoeve, and normally it's really open, and it's, in the summertime there's a big terrace in front of us. You can eat pancakes and all kinds of stuff. But I'm gonna find out if I can get a coffee to go or something. So because I'm a little bit thirsty and a little bit hungry. So okay, I will take a break. That gives you the opportunity to check out and support our members.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there.
Guys, it's time for a little break. I decided to take a warm Choco, so I'm gonna enjoy it. So guys, I almost finished my walk because I'm almost back at the starting point, the place where I parked my car. I really hope you have enjoyed it. I certainly have enjoyed my big walk. It was a pretty big walk. It's at 13.2 kilometers, but I think it's a little bit further, so let's say 15, but whatever, doesn't matter. Like I said, I've enjoyed it. I hope you have enjoyed watching, and we will keep on posting some more videos. So now I'm going home, and let's see if Farah has got a nice cup of coffee for me or something else that is nice and delicious to eat or something. You know, mazarap, mazarap, mazarap. And don't forget to put on the notification bell to subscribe or like or whatever. Put your comments down there, and see you guys. Stay safe. Bye bye.